Come on. Come on. Okay, now I'm going to break off a piece and chuck it at him. Oh, he's snooping. He's 2 feet away. He just grabbed the first cracker. He's 3 feet away from me right now, enjoying a cracker. Now, let's see if the game really begins. Here we go. Oh, he found a little nibble. Now I'm holding it. Here he comes.
Oh my God, you're holding it?
2 feet away. He's 18 inches away. He's coming. Here we go. Here we go. I just did it. I just did it. I just got it on film right now. Awesome. Squirrely. Thank you, dude. Good seeing you, man. You made my day, brother. You made my day. I can zoom in so close. Right now I've got nothing but whiskers and hands and cracker on my screen. Let me back it up. This guy is enjoying it. Honest.